Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through our TextQuest Gale databases. So assuming you've logged into the databases, once you get there you're going to see this screen and you're going to see all the different databases that are available. This first set of databases that are in blue are cross-searchable, meaning I can type a search term like Holocaust up here and it will search all of them. The ones towards the bottom, you would have to search those independently. They are not cross-searchable, so you can look through those, see what you might be interested in. So for example, if I wanted to search the Holocaust and I didn't really want to limit it to any particular database, I could just go ahead and type it and then hit search. And that's going to bring up quite a few articles. So for example, if you're over here on the right, you can see that there's 31,000 magazines, 24,000 academic journals, there's books, news articles, images, videos, and some audio. You could certainly limit by clicking on one of those links over here on the side. But the Holocaust is a fairly broad subject, so you might want to add more terms. Maybe you're specifically looking for the Holocaust ghettos. And that is now going to limit it to only 67 magazines, 143 academic journals. So you could scroll through, find something that you're interested in. You can also continue to limit your searches by something that is peer-reviewed. You could limit it by topics, document types. You could do a custom date range if you want something fairly recent, that kind of thing. So you can do some limitations. So once you find something you might be interested in, you can click on the article. And then up here in the corner, you can actually download that PDF of the article. And that's going to pull that up. You can see it. This is not going to be a whole lot of information. This is probably just a quick little book review. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to go back to my search results. Maybe I can find something a little bit. See, these are brief book reviews, brief articles. Here's a critical essay. That might be something more in line. So it does tell you kind of what type of article it is here at the top. So let me look at this essay. Okay, so here you're going to see the full text. Again, you could download the PDF if you would like. You also have other options that you can use. You can use citation tools. If you need to cite it, you could email it. Again, download it, print it. You can also highlight and take notes. So if you're highlighting something, once you release, you can hit highlight and choose a color. You can also add notes where you could say something about this paragraph. And as long as you log in, it will save this information. So to do that, you would want to go ahead and sign in with Microsoft. That's your Office 365 account. Students have access to this as well as teachers. This is your email account. Since I've already signed in on my computer, all I had to do is click it and you can see that I'm signed in. So it will save anything that I highlight, take notes. I could save this article in a folder and make sure that I keep it as needed. So it's really quick and easy to use. There's other tools you can also look at. You can use the dictionary. So if you're not sure what a certain word means, you could certainly highlight it, click on the dictionary, and type in the word and find out what that means. So, you can simply do that. Again, there's your highlights and notes. This is a list of what I've highlighted and notated. I'll go back. A couple other tools, and then I went ahead and saved that, so this is now saved in my folder as well. So if I'm finding a whole bunch of different articles, I could go ahead and keep saving those into a folder for my research and then go look at it later. If you need to translate it, you can choose other languages. Now keep in mind it may not be a great translation, but it might help for maybe your ESL students that might be looking at that. So just a very quick overview on how to use the Gale databases. Feel free to kind of look through those. Again, if you go back to that main page, there are other access things that you can access down here. For example, maybe the health and wellness. If you're looking on something for that, you could certainly just click on that specific database and go search something in there. They also have some different tabs you could go to if you're looking for anything in particular. So some great resources that we have available. So I hope you will check these out and start using our databases.